How to insert pictures from Google to your PowerPoint. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily insert any picture from Google to your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is search for the picture that you want to insert. So here is a free images that you can do from this website. So I'm just going to import a random picture here. I'm just going to click on this first image, and from here you can easily download it. Click on download, select your resolution, and from here you can click on download. So once you do that, your download will be complete. Okay, so now what you need to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, click on a new slide, and select what kind of slide you want to add. So from here you have different options. You can insert online pictures or insert table, insert video, insert chart, and many more. You can upload picture from your PC from here. Click right here, go to downloads where you have just downloaded the picture. Click on it, and as you can see, the picture has been inserted on your slide. This is the first method. Now, if you want to add more pictures from online without downloading, click on online picture, and here you can just search for any picture on Bing. So just search for let's say cat, and then it will show you all of the possible outcomes. You can select anything, click on insert, and the picture will be added right here. It also shows the citation and where the picture is from, so that's pretty good as well. So that's how you add pictures on your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.